a little look around. Oh, there's a little fantail. Little fantail. Yeah, we just come out to have a bit of a play around, and yeah, we just found a little mine, and we're just going for a wee wander with our detectors. So we've just got the detector. Jade's just up there somewhere. But we're just going for a wee play in the cave. Jade's just up there. Some big
whoa, up on there.
There's some big wetters in here.
Gross.
Look at that big sucker.
Right up there. They start moving when the light goes on, and I'm moving away from the gun.
The size of them. Oh, he's huge. They're all over the wall. Oh!
Don't like the light shine on, that's for
No,
sure.
he's hopping away. If I get one of those on me, I'm going to squeal like a girl.
Yeah, I hear you.
Quite a deep cave here. Hopefully nothing falls on top of us, but yeah, so you see all the old wood that held it up. It's just Jade's way down there. What's the light down there?
Huh?
What's the light down there?
Yeah, it's alright. There's a couple of little dodgy bits you've got to get over just there.
Yeah.
But your light's way better than mine. Hardly see anything with mine.
Alright, she's
Mine
a
too.
pretty flash one, this.
Yeah, well, it's good. It even shows up good in the camera. Oh, the camera stuff. You still pretty early?
Yeah. Ow!
Be careful.
Just about knocked myself out.
Don't do that. There's
This is all wood
stuff
here.
everywhere, man.
Yeah.
It's too hard to distinguish, and that many of them, it's hard work, eh? This is cool. I just want to come back here, eh?
Yeah.
Because it was a bit hard. We only went,
I wonder what all that grey stuff is.
that is mould.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay, don't suck that up then.
No. Yeah, well, I only came in probably what, 5-10 metres off Braxton,
Yeah.
and he didn't like it. It was a bit dark. I only had my phone torch and that.
So
There's a wee way.
is that the end there?
I don't know. I've never been. I'm just guessing.
It looks like it's the end just over there. Sort of getting a wee bit more narrow.
61 metres,
Yeah,
I think.
something
All up.
like that. Yeah.
I don't
pretty
even
cool.
know. I don't even know if it's worth detecting in here. It's worth exploring.
Ah. Oh, she's pretty cool.
It's too much going on, I think.
All the old woods that they used to have holding it all up. Obviously they had lots through here holding this piece up. Must be reasonably stable, otherwise they'd have it all closed off.
Yeah. Well, it's the same with the ones at like Waiuta.
Oh yeah.
You know, there's the ones on the top, the real dangerous ones you can't go down, but the ones down below, there's like a dozen of them that you can go through down below.
Yeah.
And it's the same up Woods Creek, past Shantytown. There's another one that you can
Oh,
go in
yeah.
all through them, and they're not closed off.
Yeah.
And they're wicked, and they're old Chinese workings, and it's all riverbed,
Oh yeah.
all river gravels in there,
Cool.
and sandstone on top. So they went underneath the sandstone and worked all the river.
Oh yeah.
The river.
Yeah.
They're real cool.
I reckon that's the end just up there.
Yeah. Well, we'll go and have a look.
Obviously the wettest, no wettest down. Oh yeah, there is. Still wettest here. You big sucker. Really?
I know what's going crazy.
Why? Your shoes.
It's all the lights.
No,
It's not liking the lights and stuff.
it's probably your shoes, maybe.
Turn it off. Don't turn it off.
Be
I'll
quiet.
put it on the next sensitivity, so it might not be like
Oh yeah, that is the end. That's the end up there. Get that a wee bit more narrow.
This has got a best torch. No, it keeps going, mate.
Oh, does it?
It goes over.
Ah.
I don't know that. It still keeps going. It's collapse.
Aye.
It's a collapse.
Ah.
You can go over. People have been walking over it. Oh, it's rain again.
Ow.
Good.
Oh, yeah.
That's awesome. Yeah, it still goes. Just had a bit of a collapse around the seam.
Big clips, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right down the seam.
Feels like a lot further than 61 metres with things like that. I can't see. See if mine will torch.
Just don't go down too far, Jade.
Huh?
I don't want to save you way under there. How far does it go?
This is the end. Big massive seam about a metre, 2 metres wide.
Oh yeah.
It's huge. People have chipped either side of it too.
Oh, have they?
Yeah, that's neat.
Jeez. Yeah, I'll come down.
At least the air smells good, doesn't it?
No.
Isn't so bad.
Well, we won't know. They'll be picking our bodies up out of here.
Look at that.
Oh yeah. Jeez.
It's wicked. Big seam.
That's a big thing, isn't it?
Must be still
Sounds
gold
right
in it
well.
though. Must be enough, but you know, they've done a lot of work. Had a stamper up here and they've got
Right up and over. Right
Oh,
down there.
some photos.
Right down there.
Do you want to bring, when you're done, bring your torch back? Your torch back here. But don't have it shine right at the white, have it off to the other side. Yep, right there, be good. Yeah, I got that. I'm going to take one on my cell phone, it'll be better. Oh, that's cool.
Mm.
Big whiff. That's wicked, eh? That's
Yes.
real neat.
Can't see any glistening in it though. I'll be back soon.
I don't see the cords, not least I dug this one so far anyway.
Bit of a hole over there with some water in it. Jade's just in there. Another hole. Go have a look. Back in a sec. We're in the deep ones though. I know you'll see it.
Doesn't look as good as what it was in the other one anyway.
See wee water trickling out through there. That's it goes around the corner. There's the opening down there. And around the corner.
And it goes to there,
I think it only goes to there.
full of earth. Yeah, they were flat. That roof was very flat, eh?
Yeah. So we've got small wickets. Yeah, that's as far as it goes.
Oh, so it's not this one.
Unless it goes.
Just watch if there's a false floor.
Yeah. When we were out detecting, I managed to find this rock. And apparently that is galena. I broke the rock open, because that's the other half. So it's sat right, something like that. So it sort of sat on there, like that, and I broke it in half. And that's what was in it. Pretty cool looking wee rock. It's got all this fancy stuff in the rock. And the metal detector went off on it, so I'm not quite sure if there's anything else in there. Yeah, quite a cool rock. Anyway, yeah, so someone might be interested. This is what we found when I was detecting. I thought I was onto a winner with that one, but yeah, unfortunately, alas, it is lead. They're all lead nail heads. You can see where the nail was. They're all in different, they were all sort of in one little area, so someone obviously dropped all their nails. And then I picked that one up, and that one looked really good. I thought, oh, there's a nugget, but no. Lead. So yeah. So anyway, got all that, and yeah. But anyway, one day the detector will go off, and I'll get something reasonable. But yeah. So anyway, we'll see. All right. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.